Smartwatch ho to aisa. Today I have a very interesting smartwatch to show you all guys, and in fact I've been like eagerly waiting for this to arrive in India, and there you go, it's finally happening today. So this is Amazfit's all new T Rex 2 smartwatch guys, and let me tell you, this is the toughest smartwatch right now available in the market. This thing is like literally military grade tough standard guys. It has passed like certain different tests guys, almost like 15 different military standard tests, like drop test, liquid test, a sand test, and there's like a big list given by Amazfit. So I'm like super excited to talk about in this video. And apart from that guys, you can even use this watch in like ultra low temperatures, even up to like minus 30 degrees, and still the watch will work. And in fact today in this video we'll be torturing this watch guys. I'll be doing a lot of torture tests, so make sure to watch this video. We'll have a lot of fun right now. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, our brand new smartwatch from Amazfit, the all new T Rex 2. Packaging looks very similar to Amazfit's other smartwatches. You got the T Rex 2 mentioned over here, picture of the product on the front, and has some of its main highlights written on the box. As I've told you guys, this is like a military grade tough smartwatch that features dual band GPS and 5 global positioning satellite systems, and can also work in like ultra low temperature environment. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and talk about this smartwatch in this video. There is nothing much written on the packaging, so what I'll do is I'll quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just grab my knife, tear this seal on the package, and show you what did we get in the box. Okay, outer box lights out like this, and on the inside there's one more white color box, nothing mentioned on it, just the Amazfit logo. And there you go boys, our brand new smartwatch, the Amazfit T Rex 2. By the way, the watch is available in 4 different colors. We have the Ember Black edition, and look at this baby. Oh boy, that's a macho looking watch is what I can say. Keeping that aside, in the package you get some paperwork, just make sure to read this, and a magnetic charging dock for the smartwatch, basically for charging it. And that is it. These are all the stuff you got in the package. Now let's have a closer look and talk about the design and build quality of this smartwatch. Let me just peel off the sticker on the display. And initial impressions, I have to say, watch looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a macho looking smartwatch guys. Just look at this. Let me just place it on my hand and show you. Looks very attractive. I kind of like this sort of Amazfit, T-Rex design guys. Really dig that. You've got the T-Rex model mentioned over here, Amazfit branding to the right side. And talking about the design looks quite appealing. It's actually like very similar to the previous gen T-Rex, but slightly updated design and subtle changes here and there. And talking about the display, it comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED touch display with a sapphire glass at the top, scratch resistant, and overall build quality is also very good. It's made of like a polymer alloy, and as I've told you before, it's like super tough and durable. And the watch is also 10 atmospheres water resistant and is also dust resistant guys. Now talking about the buttons, as you can see, the watch has 4 buttons, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. There's a select and back button on the right side and up and down button on the left. So basically now when you use a smartwatch underwater, touchscreen doesn't work, right? So over here you can actually use these buttons to completely navigate and operate the functions on the smartwatch even underwater. So that is like super advantageous for adventurers out there. And having a look at the back side, let me just remove these stickers. There you go. It's got a couple of sensors at the bottom guys, basically your health related sensors to measure HR and blood oxygen SpO2, and you also have your charging contacts over here. And wait a second, I missed out to show you something. You see this hook over here, underneath this the watch also has like a buzzer guys. So basically buzzer is used to alert a lot of different things. We'll talk about that at a later part in the video. Talking about the straps, it's got black color silicone straps. Quality looks very good, feels soft and durable. So that's it, our initial impressions and first look at the smartwatch. What I'll do is I'll set up the smartwatch, use it for a couple of days, and then be back to continue the video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using the T Rex 2 for the last couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this. So initial impressions guys, I am like super impressed with this thing. First of all, it's a very beautiful looking watch, and I'm not exaggerating. I really love these sort of macho looking watches. So yeah, where do we start from? First let's talk about the toughness, so because that is the main highlight of this thing, right? So Amazfit T Rex 2 is like military grade tough guys. It's got like a super tough body and has passed passed like 15 different military standard tests, which include like drop test and water test, liquid test, different sorts of liquids, and also sand test. In fact, right now what I'll do is I'll show you a couple of them in live, guys. What I'll do is first we'll start off with the water test. So it's almost like 10 atmospheres water resistant. So I'll take like a big bowl filled with water. We're gonna put this watch in that and see if it survives. Okay, time for test number 2. Brand said that this thing works at ultra low temperatures of up to minus 30 degrees centigrade. So we're gonna put this thing in water, freeze that water, and then we'll see if this watch actually works inside ice. Holy moly, you guys saw that? I hope you people got like an understanding on how tough this thing is. And keeping that aside, guys, let's move on with the video and talk about all of its other highlights and basically features. And let's start off with the display. First of all, let me tell you, not just the body, even the display on this thing is like super tough. It's got sapphire glass at the top side, guys, and is basically scratch resistant. Even if you try to scratch it with a stone, nothing is going to happen to it. Anyways, moving on, let's talk about the display. So as I've told you, the watch comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED touch display, and look at that display, guys. Main thing I have to highlight over here is there are no bezels, guys. The display is like edge to edge and gives like a beautiful look to the overall watch. And talking about the display quality is also like very good. Now come on, it's an AMOLED display. There's nothing less you can expect over here. It's got like good amount of detail. Everything looks crisp and clear. You can easily read all your notifications, messages, or any sort of content on it. And talking about colors also look rich and vibrant thanks to that AMOLED panel. And if you ask about the brightness is also like super bright. You can easily view the watch even in like bright outdoor situations, not an issue at all. And best part over here is this watch also has like an ambient sensor, guys. So it also has like auto brightness mode. Once you toggle it, watch will automatically change the brightness just like your smartphone. So that is like very helpful. And keeping that aside, guys, viewing angles are also nice. On the overall, guys, I'm like super happy and quite pleased with the display on this smartwatch. Okay, moving on, let's talk about the software and built-in apps and features. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the watch, and I'll basically show you how the home screen on it looks like. I'll show you all the built-in watch faces and talk about all of its apps and features. There you go, this is how the home screen on the watch looks like. And let me tell you, this watch has like lots of watch faces, guys. By default now, when you power it on, you get around like 4 to 5 pre-installed watch faces, and these are like pretty sick looking watch faces, guys. I totally dig them. Now apart from that, if you would like to download more watch faces, you can easily do that by using Zep app on your phone, guys. You've got like lots of cloud watch faces. You can easily download from there and install it on your watch. Now moving on, let me just show you how the gesture and navigation thing works. So swiping down on the home screen will give you a quick access to the notifications, and basically you've got like a lot of quick toggles over here. Just have a look at that, guys. You've got lots of stuff like DND mode is there, auto brightness adjustment, gives you a quick glance at the current battery life and these sort of stuff. Now swiping right on the home screen now, it'll give you notification panel. Here it'll show you all the current SMSs or messages or missed call notifications, whichever you receive on your watch. Again, for this you'll have to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and then only you will be able to get all those notifications on this watch. And by swiping left on the home screen will give you complete list of apps present on this watch. We'll come there in a moment. And by swiping up on the home screen now, this will give you like a complete access to the widgets, and these widgets are also customizable, guys. You can add your own widgets using the Zep app. Anyways, at the top you got the weather. It shows you current weather in your city. Then you've got like a quick workout session. Amazfit Pi information is available, quick toggles to alarm, your sleep data analysis, and basically it shows you your current day's fitness activities, guys. For example, how much distance you've traveled, calories burned for that particular day, your real-time HR measurement, blood oxygen, SpO2, and all of these stuff is available over here. And one more thing I do have to mention is, have you seen how smooth the watch works in the video? I have to appreciate that, guys. Amazfit has like really optimized the UI and the whole OS on this particular model. Everything feels so smooth over here, and I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters, guys. So I'll have to give like good marks on this thing. Anyways, let me just give you a closer look and show you all the available apps and stuff on this thing. You can easily access that by swiping left on the home screen. At the top, you got Amazfit's Pi score, and then going down, you got the workout session, and you've got like so many workout activities over here, guys. So many sport modes are there, and using this, you can easily track your sport activities. Now, talking about the sport activities, guys, this watch has like dual band GPS and 5 satellite positioning systems, guys, and GPS on this thing is like super accurate. We'll come there in a moment and talk about that in depth. Now, moving on, guys, apart from that, you've got lots of health related features as well. This thing can watch your 24/7 HR monitoring. It can do blood oxygen, SpO2 measurement, complete sleep analysis, stress data monitoring is also available. And what else is it? That's it. These are all the health related functions. And apart from that, you do have your general smartwatch related functions available, guys, like compass is there, timer, alarm, calculator is also built in onto this thing. It can measure your altitude, barometer is also there, and you also have your Bluetooth music control player, using which you can control the music that is being played on your phone. So basically that is it, our complete overview on the software and built-in apps and features on the Amazfit T Rex 2. Alright, now let's talk about the health related features. So as I've told you, Amazfit T Rex 2 has like plethora of health related functions. It can measure your 24/7 HR monitoring, blood oxygen, SpO2 is there, stress level monitoring is there, sleep data analysis, and basically all of these activities are covered, guys. And sensors were also very good. Amazfit has used like really good quality and highly accurate sensors, and these were giving like accurate readings 90-95% of the time. Now let's talk about the sport and fitness related activities. Amazfit's T Rex 2 can do lots of activities, guys. Walking, running, hiking, there's like never ending list of activities available over here. And once you start that now, the watch will track variety of things like current number of steps you're taking, distance travel, how much calories you're burning. And apart from that, the watch also has like dual band GPS with 5 satellite positioning system, right? GPS on this thing is like very accurate, guys. No matter where you go, even if you go into like outdoor hiking also, suppose like a jungle or somewhere else also, not an issue at all. GPS was that good, and it was catching the signal very quickly compared to the previous gen Amazfit smartwatches. And apart from that, guys, as I've told you, you can view the complete geolocation data for your particular fitness activity no matter where you go directly on the watch, or you can get like a detailed data on a Zep app as well, which you can install on your phone. So choice is up to you. Moving on, let's talk about the notifications and basically how you receive call notifications on this thing. So for this thing, you'll definitely need to install Zep app and enable some permissions, pair the watch with your phone and toggle Bluetooth, and that is how you'll be able to receive all your messages or missed call notifications. And this is how you receive message notifications. It shows you a complete name of the person sending and even including the content of the message. Just have a look at this thing. And this is how you receive call notifications. So it shows you the name or number of the person sending, and you can either like end the call or dismiss the notification. Choice is up to you. Okay, this is one of the main parts of this video. How is the battery life on this smartwatch? Now, first of all, T Rex 2 is like a military grade tough smartwatch, right? So you definitely have a bit of high hopes in the battery life. And let me tell you, I've been using it for the last couple of days, almost like 7 to 8 days. And I was like quite impressed with the battery life over here. Now, if you're a moderate kind of user, guys, you don't use a lot of Bluetooth or you don't use the smart sort of features, then when you set the brightness to auto mode and you use a little bit of activity, batteries and rarely health related features, you can easily expect almost like 20 to 22 days guys per charge, because I mostly was using it like that only, and per day battery was decreasing only by like 6% or 7% guys. This is the kind of result I was getting. And again, if you're a bit of heavy user, you do a bit of sport activities, and you do a lot of health related stuff also, then you can expect around like 10 to 12 days of battery life. Again, if you're like a complete fitness freak guys, you use GPS a lot outdoors and you do a lot of fitness related stuff, and if you use GPS continuously, then you can expect around like 24 to 26 hours of battery life guys. So this is the kind of battery life you can expect over here. Completely depends on how you use it. So that's it, our video on Amazfit's brand new T Rex 2 smartwatch. Very good smartwatch. Love the looks and functionality. And main thing is it's like a super tough smartwatch guys. Military grade toughness. And you can basically use it in like extreme temperatures also, and can withstand any sort of torture test also. So best for like adventurers, or best outdoor partner. That is what I can say. Display is also like very good, and excellent battery life as well. And this thing costs around like 15,999 rupees in India guys. I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And apart from this, if you have any other questions, or you would like to see any other special or interesting torture test, let me know and we'll definitely plan that. And if you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.